from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Tourists in Henrico spent a lot of money last year. We'll tell you exactly how much. And the county's health district is receiving some funding from the federal government. We'll tell you about that in today's Henrico News Minute. For Wednesday, October 5th, 2022, it's brought to you today by the law firm of Barnes & Deal.
And now for the news.
Visitors to Henrico County spent more than $1.3 billion last year. That was the highest total of any Central Virginia locality and the fifth highest total in the state. This data is according to a study released yesterday by the Virginia Tourism Corporation. That spending total is a jump of 46% from 2020 when the COVID-19 pandemic limited travel. County officials say that tourism in Henrico supports more than 8,700 jobs with a combined payroll income of nearly $424 million. It also generated tax receipts of about $61 million for the county and $33 million for the state. Many people have suffered from adverse childhood experiences at some point in their childhood, and Be Well VA, a collaboration of Central Virginia's 7 community services boards, is offering a free virtual workshop later this month to help raise awareness about them and also to provide resources to help children and adults who have experienced them at some point. The workshop will be held October 20th. Free to attend, and it will run from 10 a.m. to noon. To register, you can visit bewellva.com or visit our website, henricocitizen.com, and look for this article to find a direct link. The Richmond and Henrico health districts will receive funding for community health workforce training as part of nearly $6 million being allocated in Virginia through the American Rescue Plan. The RHHD along with the Central Shenandoah and Blue Ridge health districts, will share a total of $2.99 million in funding. Virginia is expected to receive more than $16.5 million during a 6 to 10 year period as part of a $438.5 million 35 state and territory settlement with JUUL Labs. The settlement resolved a 2-year bipartisan investigation into the e-cigarette manufacturers' marketing and sales practices. JUUL also is being required to comply with a series of strict injunctive terms that severely limit its marketing and sales practices. The company was found to have targeted youngsters with deceptive social media advertising campaigns and also with misleading the public about the product's dangers. And tomorrow night, American singer-songwriter Dana Cooper will perform at the Tin Pan in the West End, along with Michael Lilly and Kyle Davis. The show will begin at 8 p.m. Cooper is touring for his latest album, I Can Face the Truth. Doors open at 6. Tickets are $22.50 a piece. A quick note, there will be no News Minute tomorrow or Friday. I'll be away from the microphone for a couple days, but we'll be right back here on Monday morning. Hope you have a great rest of your week and weekend. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Barnes & Deal. Barnes & Deal has emerged as a highly respected family law firm over the past 3 decades with the resources, skills, and experience necessary to handle high-asset divorces and other complex family law matters across Virginia. To learn more, visit barnesfamilylaw.com, that's B-A-R-N-E-S, or call 796-1000.